How to fix no sound problem in Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your start menu, go to settings, go to troubleshoot, go to sound settings. After that, scroll down, go to more sound settings, and then from here go to sounds. After that, in this sound scheme, make sure you have selected Windows default. Save it. If the problem still does not go away, what you will have to do is simply open your device manager. Now go to audio input and output, go to speaker, right click on it, disable this device and enable it again. Go to update driver. If there are any updates, simply install the latest version, and that's it. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.